What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Armani, that car addict, back to you guys with a brand new video. And as you see by title and thumbnail, we are going on the last river road cruise of the season, I guess, for most people. But we have a lot of people out today, and we're at the mills. I'll get out and show you guys in a second. But right now, I gotta eat my breakfast. So yeah. Today's gonna be a pretty fun day. Still see cars pulling up and such. Mostly muscle cars as I see as of now. But today's gonna be a fun day. A lot of people gonna be probably doing rolls on the way there and other stuff like that. So that's what I'm here for. That's what I'm recording for everybody. Even though mostly people probably don't know me. But if you guys are watching it and you just happen to find this video, your car's probably gonna be in the video. You're welcome. But other than that, I'm gonna finish my food and I'm gonna make some cinematics of all the cars that are pulling up and all the cars that are here. So I'll get back to y'all in a second.
I know every inch of these highways. Get his ass.
We were spinning like a motherfucker. We were spinning like Okay, so we made it to one spot in Grafton, Illinois, and this year is better than last year because this car's all over there and all over there with the other bird, the acai bird, whatever it's called over there. So we might fill up this whole parking lot, and we might not. So I don't know. There's a lot of people, and there's still more people coming in. So let's see what happens. And I don't think we're all going to fit in the loading dock because that's going to be pretty hard. So I'll let you guys know. Oh, 64. Correct me if I'm wrong. Is this a 64? 1964? That motherfucking hard. Candy paint and all. Alright, so we made it to the loading dock, and the water looks pretty calm, I guess. I don't know, I'm just standing at the edge right now, just chilling. But other than that, we made it to the loading dock. I don't know if I'm gonna get something to eat because I still got food in my car, in my thing. I didn't eat all that food, so I don't know. I may just chill out here, not drink none. Ooh, that's a nice Porsche over there. Carrera. But other than that, I'm about to go in here and see if I can want to eat something. But I'll get back to y'all in a second. So, well, we crossed the bridge. Bridge is all the way over there somewhere. I don't know why it's so bright, but yeah, we crossed the bridge. Somebody's getting gas, so I don't know. We got a nice little group with us right here. Decent Hellcat right there. Some other Hellcats, some Z06s, some other stuff like that. Oh boy, I didn't know it zoomed in that much on my face. But I don't know what we're about to do next. I'm probably about to go get my car and follow them to the next spot if they're gonna do some more highway stuff. I don't know. I honestly don't know. All I know is I'm about to go back to my car and get my car and follow them to the next spot. So I don't know if we're gonna race some more, or if not, I'll let you guys know and I end the vlog off there. If not, we're just gonna keep going like we've been going. So other than that, I'll let you guys know when we get to the next spot.
What did you do? This is nice. Where'd you get this done?
So that was off another guy's car. We bought him that way. Dad and the strut tower hydro did.
Okay.
Yeah, hydro did.
I want to do it. I want to do mine like that too. But
Ain't no sunshine where she go. Okay. Don't want to get demonetized, but yeah, I listen to old music. Don't be mad at me. And yes, I cut the hair off. I cut the quarantine fro off. Yeah, I cut it off. I decided to cut it off. I'll probably grow it back next year. Kind of got tired of it, picking it out all the time. But yeah, I cut it off. But oh well, it is what it is. So we actually done for the day. Everybody went home, went their separate ways. So I'm on my way home now. I just wanted to end the video off as I'm driving home. But I'd like to thank y'all for watching. Today was pretty fun, but that red vet that we raced earlier today, I'll just find a video from Facebook and just show you guys here. Because that was crazy. That thing made like 850 to the wheel or something like that. Yeah, I don't know. Hope dude's alright, but that was a gnarly wreck. But other than that, thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Browse the channel for other videos, because I've been doing a lot this year. Well, not really a lot, because I haven't been consistent as I should have been. But other than that, that's all I got to say to you guys. But thank you guys for watching. I got more things. Well, I got something planned here in the next 2 weeks. That's going to be, it might be big, it might not be, but it involves, I'm just gonna let y'all think about it, what's gonna be. I mean, y'all can obviously probably think what it is, but y'all just have to wait till y'all see the video. So other than that, I'm out here. I catch y'all on the flip side, and I'm still doing podcasts. If you guys are seeing this, whenever you see it, type in the comments below what should I talk about in my next podcast. And yeah, I might just talk about it. And other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.